Well, hello. Do you like macaroons? I sure do. How about a mock macaroon? Never had that. Gonna have to give it a go. I've done a couple videos of mock recipes that were kind of stinkers. I hope this one's good. I'm ready for a mock recipe.
I'm ready for a mock recipe.
Are you mocking me?
I sure am.
It's mock recipe time. I'm gonna start with 2 cups of rolled oats in a bowl, 1 cup of brown sugar, and a half a cup of vegetable oil. Gonna mix that up. Now I'm just gonna cover it up, and then I'm gonna let it sit here on the counter for 5 hours. Okay, it's been 5 hours. Now I'm gonna crack in an egg. And I'm gonna add a splash of almond extract. Tiny. Shake of salt. I'm gonna mix that up thoroughly. I'm placing rounded tablespoons full on a tray. Now I'm gonna bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 8 minutes. Well, they are out of the oven and cooled on a wire rack. Here they are. Yes, they look nothing like a macaroon or a macaron. But I'll still try them anyway. Mock macaroon time. This is a regular recipe I found in a book, I swear. I like the almond flavor. So the almond flavor is like a macaron. But that's about it. It's not like a macaroon because it doesn't fully taste like coconut. But I must say I love the cookie. It has a wonderful taste. But is it a mock macaroon? No, it is not. But am I an adventurous person who likes to try things? Yes, I am. And I'll do anything for you. Because you're special and I'm so thankful you're watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. Hope you have a great day. My dog swallowed a whole bag of Scrabble tiles, so we took him to the vet to get checked out. No word yet. Okay, with my eyes closed and chewing it, it does have a macaroon type texture. So I guess it is a macaroon.